Madhuri of 10th class, Andhra Pradesh Social Welfare Residential Education Institute Society, Center of Excellence, Algunur, Karimnagar. My project is about mobile phone radiation and human health. I want to convey the effects of the mobile phone for the human health. And in this modern type of generation, everybody is using the cells rapidly. Suppose first if I want to call my friend, first the radiations from my cell goes to the cell tower in my village. From that it goes to the satellite, and then it goes to the cell tower in my friend's village, and from that it goes to my friend's cell. Like this the signal will be going on. In that time, if I talk continuously 15 minutes, 2 degrees Celsius of temperature will be increased. And it shows in the picture that this is a normal temperature, 37 degrees Celsius. It increases like that. The red spots indicates the increase of the temperature. And here, not only the brain, it affects the total human body like that. And later, if you see here, due to the overheat of the temperature, here between the brain and the blood is flowing like this, between the there is a barrier. The barrier will get affected, so that it leads to the brain tumors. It mainly occurs in the children, and the starting symptoms are fatigue, headache, loss of sleep, memory loss, ringing ears, joint pains. If you have these symptoms, you have to avoid the overusage of cell phone. So these are the starting symptoms for us, and it not only affects the human health, it also affects the environment also. How it affects means it affects the birds and animals. Suppose let this is a cell tower. From this radiations will emit. If the radiations are absorbed by birds and animals, in the birds and animals the reproductive system damages, so that it leads to the death of the birds and animals. In such a way, the sparrows came to an extinct because of this reason. So what are the precautions we have to take is, if we got a call, we have to talk only 3 minutes. If we got a call, we have to talk only 3 minutes. If it is necessary and if it is urgent, we have to talk by taking gaps, and we have to use the speakers, headsets, so that the radiation will be less. And we have to speak only when the signal indication is strong. Because if the signal indication is strong, the radiation will be less. If the signal indication is weak, the radiation will be more. So next, what the precaution we have to take is, we have to avoid it from the children, because if the children is addicted right from the childhood, it causes the brain tumors easily. So we have to avoid from the children. And next, we should not hold the cell phone in the hands for more time, because it leads to the sores, tingling, itching may appear. So we should not hold the mobiles for more time in the hands. And the fetus may be affected in the female. The baby growing place will be affected in the female. And while we go to the cell point and purchase the mobile phones, there we have to check the SAR value. SAR means specific absorption rate. It should be only 1.6. It should not exceed 1.6. If it exceeds 1.6, we should avoid purchasing the mobiles. And next to that, in Nokia mobiles, 1.53 it will be. It is no problem if we purchase the Nokia mobiles, but we should not use continuously. We should take some gaps and we have to use it. And we should not construct any houses before the towers. It should be a distance of 300. It should be the distance of 300 meters. So, and the radiation shields are not using in India. It is prominently running in America. So I want to create awareness among the people, and I want to strict the government to take all these steps, and I request all to you follow these precautions and make your life successful and